Have you ever opened a bag of chips planning to eat just a few? And suddenly the bag is empty. Or maybe it's chocolate, pizza, ice cream, instant noodles, or fast food. You're not even hungry anymore, but you still want more. And then comes the guilt. Why do I have no self-control? Why can't I just stop? Here's the truth most people don't hear. This isn't a personal failure. It's not because you're weak or lazy. There are real biological, psychological, and environmental reasons why certain foods feel impossible to resist. In this video, we're going to break down why some foods hijack your brain, how your body reacts to them, and why knowing this can actually help you regain control.
Let's start with your brain. Your brain's main job is survival. To do that, it rewards behaviors that keep you alive. Eating is one of those behaviors. Every time you eat something pleasurable, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine doesn't just make you feel good. It makes you want more. Now here's the key point. Dopamine isn't about satisfaction. It's about motivation. So when you eat something high in sugar, fat, or salt, your brain goes, "This is important. Remember this. Repeat this." That's why you don't crave plain boiled vegetables the same way you crave cookies or fries. Those ultra-tasty foods create a stronger dopamine response, which trains your brain to seek them out again and again. Over time, your brain starts associating certain foods with comfort, reward, or relief. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize. A lot of modern food is engineered to be addictive. Food scientists use something called the bliss point. This is the perfect combination of sugar, fat, salt. At this point, food tastes amazing but doesn't make you feel full too quickly. Think about it. It's hard to overeat plain potatoes. But potato chips? Very easy. Why? Because chips melt in your mouth. Don't trigger fullness fast. Deliver constant flavor. Your brain doesn't get a strong stop eating signal. The same goes for soda, candy, fast food, pastries, and many packaged snacks. These foods don't just feed you. They stimulate you. A lot of people think, if I just had more willpower, I'd eat better. But willpower is limited. It's like a battery. Every decision you make during the day drains it. Work stress, social pressure, lack of sleep, emotional problems. By the time evening comes, your willpower is low. And guess what foods are easiest to grab when you're tired or stressed? The ones that give quick pleasure. This is why late-night snacking is so common. Your brain wants comfort, not discipline. So when you try to fight cravings using pure self-control, you're fighting biology while exhausted. That's not a fair fight. Let's talk about emotions. Many of us don't just eat when we're hungry. We eat when we're stressed, bored, lonely, anxious, sad. Food becomes a coping mechanism. When you eat comfort foods, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, which can temporarily reduce stress. So your brain learns. Feeling bad? Eat this. Over time, certain foods become emotionally charged. Pizza might remind you of fun times. Ice cream might feel like comfort after a hard day. Fast food might feel like a reward. You're not just craving the food. You're craving the feeling it gives you. Another big factor is blood sugar. Foods high in sugar and refined carbs spike your blood sugar quickly. Your body responds by releasing insulin. Then your blood sugar drops fast. When that drop happens, your brain panics. It sends strong hunger signals and cravings, especially for more sugar. That's why after eating sweets, you often want more sweets. It's not a lack of discipline. It's a chemical reaction. This cycle keeps repeating. Spike, crash, craving, repeat. Let's look at habits. If you always eat snacks while watching TV, your brain links TV time with food. Eventually, Just turning on the TV triggers a craving. Same with eating while scrolling your phone, snacking during work breaks, ordering food on stressful days. Your environment also plays a huge role. If junk food is visible and easy to reach, you'll eat more of it. If healthier food is hidden or requires effort, you'll avoid it. This isn't about motivation. It's about convenience. Many people try to solve cravings by banning foods entirely. No sugar. No carbs. No junk food ever. This often backfires. Why? Because restriction increases obsession. When your brain hears never, it wants it more. Then when you finally give in, you overeat and feel guilty. This creates a cycle. Restriction, craving, binge, guilt, restriction again. A healthier approach is learning moderation and awareness, not punishment. So what can you do? Here are a few realistic strategies. Eat enough real food. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats help you feel full and reduce cravings. Don't eat distracted all the time. Sometimes just paying attention helps your brain register satisfaction. Manage stress and sleep. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones. Change your environment. Make tempting foods harder to reach. Make better options easier. Be curious, not judgmental. Instead of saying, I'm weak, ask, what am I really craving right now? If you struggle with certain foods, you're not broken. Your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do, just in a world full of hyperstimulating food. Understanding this gives you power. Not to be perfect, but to be more aware, more patient, and more in control over time. If this video helped you understand your cravings better, give it a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments which foods you find hardest to stop eating.